Hello, good morning. This is a new day. I want to show you guys how I prepare my pancake without the eggs. Okay, guys. So, welcome to my kitchen, Best Blessed Kitchen, Health and Beauty. Here you can find a little bit of the way you can do it yourself things. Okay, it's not only based on food, it's always based on beauty and products from our world. Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys how I prepared my pancakes without egg. So the first thing we are going to have in mind is I'm going to put every ingredients into the blender. This is my blender here. So I have 4 cups of all-purpose flour. I have 2 tablespoons of baking powder. I have 1 tablespoon of salt. I have 4 cups of milk here. I have a half cup of oil, and I have my frying pan, the small one. Okay, guys. I have my sugar. Okay, guys, I have my powdered sugar, 1 cup of powdered sugar here, and I also have my flavor here. This is milk flavor. Guys, you can use any flavor of your choice. Okay, so let's dive into this beautiful recipe, guys. This is what I have got now, and I have already blended. I blend it because I don't want the normal strong mixture butter. Okay, guys, so I will fry. This is my own recipe. I didn't copy the recipe from anyone. This is my own made up recipe, guys. You must not copy anyone. You can use your initiative. You can be able to do 1 or 2 things. I don't copy all the time. I do copy, but not all the time. This one was my own idea. Okay, so the recipe was my own idea. If I want more of if I want it to be more thickened, I will add half cup of flour from the previous measurement. Okay, guys, so this is my frying pan. It's ready. So I will be using butter. I don't have where to stand my camera right now. So I will be using butter, little by little, guys. So like you guys always know, I do have a large family. Okay, so I will be frying it in 2 frying pan. But this one is non-stick frying pan. I think the result will be different. Let me see. This one is also non-stick, but it's from different brand. Okay, so I think this one is from. I like those because it's from cast, something like cast. I don't know. So I will let the butter to melt, so I will be adding my pancake mixture, the butter. Is it butter? The butter. Hi guys, I must tell you the pancake and this, they are really messy. Like, I pause the videos that means cleaning the mess. So this is how you know if the pancake is going to be ready. If most of them, the bubbles have pop, and you flip it to the other side. That's how you know the pancake is ready to turn over, guys. Who is cooking this delicious pancake? Oh, guys, can you see how it came out? Very beautiful. I have flipped the first one, so wait for the second one. Be creative, guys. I made this recipe all by myself. I didn't copy anyone, no guys. This is best recipe. The best recipe in town this so far. So fluffy. See, it's like a foam. Guys, I will put the recipe description down below again, so you can always try my recipe, guys. Thank you. So guys, I can't believe I can actually come up with this beautiful pancake. Okay, it's so fluffy, so fluffy. See the ready made. Look at it. So please don't forget to share my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for my new and old subscribers. God bless you. Please share, thumbs up, make comment below. If you have your own recipe, you can share with me. Thank you. Bye bye.